Hi there, I'm David and today we get you started with your T-scan system. In this tutorial we will be giving you some tips and tricks for the T-scan. Feel free to pause at any point to follow along. There are also chapter segments if you wish to skip ahead. Let's get started. The first tip I would like to give you is how to orientate the T-track. It is always a good idea to put it on a higher position and let it look down. Same for me. If I look from here to the part, I can see more than I would see from here. That's why make sure that you always put it on a little higher position and let it look down. The second tip I would like to give you is adapt the scanning speed to the feature you would like to scan. If you would like to scan a more flat and less curvatured area, you can scan really fast. If you would like to scan now a more structured area, for example this thread here, make sure that you scan more slowly. The last tip I would like to give you today is that we have a really powerful tool which makes it easy to find the right scanning parameters for the part you would like to scan. Let me show you that. You find here an assistant to find the right scanner parameters. Let's open that. When I now do a single scan, I can play interactively with the scanner settings. For example, let's change the reflection filter. And also, let's increase the maximum angle of incidence. You see, now we can capture a lot more points. Let's use this setting with one click on OK. Okay, these were 3 tips for today. If you experience anything different from what we have seen here, or if you have any issues with your T-scan system, please reach out to us via support@handsonmetrology.com. For more tutorials, please check out our other videos. Thanks for watching and we will see you next time.